Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody's trying to put a 1/4 inch outline around this object. First of all, if it was grouped together, your weld tool goes away, as you can see. So if we have it still selected, we go to group and ungroup your weld tool and your boundary tool. I've got my boundary or my nudge distance set on 32 inches to get this humongous file done. But then go to effects and contour, and let's contour the outside 2 inches with rounded corners. You don't want sharp corners on this particular one. Now, we can go ahead and break contour apart. Now grab that contour line and contour to the inside 1.75 inches, leaving a 1/4 inch border. Go up to Object, break contour apart. You can go ahead and grab that contour and delete it and grab that new contour. Let's make it red so we'll be able to see it when we move it over. And there you have a pretty good contour. I think they're doing a sticker, but this would be way too big for a sticker, but I don't know. But there's a pretty clean, good contour. And when I said, contour with rounded corners, if you don't, you get some of these sharp corners down here and you get this. And that's really going to be unusable, even if you break contour apart and then go to the inside with 1.75, which is leaving that 1/4 used to, well, yeah, see, it's messing up right in here because it's having to go up in that bird. So try to use rounded corners in that aspect. And then I think they're going to smart fill it in and either look like that, that's pretty cool, or smart fill the individual parts, and it really gives you a good look at it, what it's going to look like. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.